Welcome everybody to the 2021 school year. My name is Mr. Yord and I'll be your Algebra 1 teacher this year. A little bit about my teaching background. This will be my 4th year teaching. Last year I was at Bell Middle School, so I recognize some of you guys, and I made the transition before COVID, accepted a job at Golden High School where I'm really excited to start my first years teaching high school. A little bit about me personally. Outside of the classroom, my life is kind of backcountry snowboarding. During quarantine, I found a little bit of a passion for baking pastries, which I also like to bring in the backcountry with me. Originally, I'm from Pittsburgh, so I love all my sports teams. Really hoping we have a football season this year. And I'm also one of the Golden tennis coaches. For class this year, we're going to need a 3-ring binder. Need pencils, more of a pencil guy than a pen guy, just because in math we make a lot of mistakes, so we got to erase some things. We're going to need lined and graph paper, a graphing calculator. For this, you're going to want a TI 83 or higher, primarily because this is the tech that you're allowed to use on the SATs, and it's just the one we're going to be referring to most in class. A laptop, because we're not going to be able to share a lot of materials. A laptop is going to be how we're communicating through everything. So whether you're on a Chromebook or you have a Mac, anything should really work. A ruler and some whiteboard markers. Our grading is going to be earned through homework and classwork, which will be 25%, quizzes, which will be 25%, and tests and projects, which will make up 50%. Our units, we got 7 of them. You can read them or look through them and kind of see our pacing guide. Roughly here at the bottom. We're going to try to follow this as best as possible, but 7 units total. Programs we're going to be using, Google Classroom is going to be our primary resource as far as what our assignments are that day and where students should report to. We're going to be doing a lot of Google Meet for our video conferences like I'm using now. We'll use Delta Math for both in and outside of school practice, Edulastic, Khan Academy, YouTube, because let's get real, you can kind of YouTube anything nowadays, so that's a great math resource. Google Slides, in addition to that Pear Deck, Jamboard, and Ed Puzzles. So hopefully you guys have seen some of those before or even used them, but these are the ones that we're going to be using pretty frequently. Best way to reach me is through email. So it's my first and last name, zachary.yord@jeffco.k12.co.us. Longest email address ever. And I know the school year isn't what we all thought it was going to be, and it's definitely going to be different, but we just got to remember we're in this together. We might feel apart, we might be 6 feet apart, but we're in this together, and we're going to make it a great school year, guys. Can't wait to see y'all.